Hey everyone, it's Angus here, just here to tell you about Pips Carrier. Very excited about this indicator. I've tried a few different ones. I'm only 6 months into Forex trading myself, so I've had to learn what a pip is and stop losses and support and resistance is and all that sort of thing. So long as you have a basic understanding of how Forex works and how MetaTrader works, this indicator is very, very easy to use. I've had success with it in the last 2 weeks. It's been great. It's not an automated system, so you always choose to go into the trade yourself. You make that decision. What happens is you load this indicator in, load up the template as you see on the screen here, and wait for an alert. And these alerts you can input your email address and have that alert to you, or if you're around, the alert box will come up with a sound and show you, as in this example, a red line above there that says stop loss. You would, when you go to take the trade, you would enter your stop loss in as indicated there, and you would enter the trade straight away. And I'll show you where that would be, because when you get the indicator, I'll just draw a line. This is where you'd get the indicator when it reaches this point here. So you would enter the trade to go short, and in this case, this has dropped around 100 pips, 90, 100 pips, which is awesome. So that's one part of it, and it's been very successful so far for me. I'm really happy, and the best times to trade using this indicator is like during the main sessions, the Asia, London session and the New York session. Any other times I found sort of have to really just watch it a bit more carefully, because if it does go backwards to you, you can be stopped out. But the second part of this is a money management robot that comes with it. Now I don't know if you're like me, but in the past, it's been going well. I've been getting pips, making profit, and then I'm thinking, oh, when do I get out? When do I get out? When do I take my profit? And I've let it go too long. It goes backwards, end up either being stopped out or making a lot less profit than I could have. So this Pips Carrier trade management robot is very simple, and there's a few options. Okay, so once you've entered your trade and entered your stop loss, you would then double click the Pips trade management robot, and up comes the screen, and you just leave these all default. You can play with them, but for instance, the get full take profit is set to true. That the robot will manage the trade and will close it for you. It will close 80% of the trade on the first take profit target and 20% of the trade on second take profit target. If you choose to set it to false, it will manage only 80% of the trade. That is, it will close 80% of the trade on first take profit target, and you can close the remaining 20% manually at your preferred target price. But I don't do that myself. Let me see what else. The second input, move to break even. I love this. So this allows moving the stop loss to break even point as soon as the first take profit target has been closed. So if you prefer to set it to false, it will not move your stop loss to break even point. Which is fantastic. So if it reaches your take profit level, that's it. You can't lose the trade. So if it continues on with the 20% and it just goes backwards, it'll just go back to break even, and so okay, you didn't make any money on that 20%, but you've made money on the 80% of the profit, which is awesome. So, but at times the market just keeps going and you make extra pips on the 20%. So if you're a bit, for instance, if you had $1 per pip, you would close the trade at 80 cents a pip when it reached your profit line, and then continue on at 20 cents a pip. Hopefully that all makes sense. Line colors, alert with sound, that sort of thing in the box. So really that's it. That's as simple as it gets. I'll just close that box, and the template looks like this. And when you can trade this manually, but why do you need to when you have an alert that comes up when it shows you all the right conditions? So I'll just draw a vertical line in here. So it's told you to take the trade there. It's like when this line crosses and all these, anyway, when all the indicators are lined up, the alert comes up. So that's all you really need to know. Very, very simple. Now this is ideally suited for 1 hour plus time frames. There is another system which I'm going to go through on another video for the 5-minute to 30-minute, which is excellent as well. So I hope that all made sense. And you know, if you think you like this program, there's a 60-day money back guarantee on it. I'm sure you won't be sorry. Just follow the rules. Very simple, and I really appreciate if you would click my affiliate link. Thank you very much for listening, and that link is just below this video. Thanks again, and might see you in another video.